Good morning. Thought I'd talk about the bed today. This is how it's normally set up when I'm not sleeping in it. So this is everyday usage right here. It's all piled up. It's open in the middle so I can get things in and out, walk in and out easy. So this is everyday usage. So you want to set the bed up. You undo those straps there and move the mattress and sheets and blankets out of the way, and then you put that centerpiece in, and then there's a board that goes right down in there, and there's one over here. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. That metal frame right there. So I'm gonna move all that stuff and show you how it goes together. Okay, I just moved the mattress out of the way. I just set it up here on the counter out of the way, and then this front board is strapped down. Undo that. Take that out of the way. Just move this board out of the way. And we have our centerpiece of the bed here. And it just fits in right here. Fits in right there. You see my holes? See my holes? They go all the way down into the board here. And I have one of these. It's called a T-nut. It's threaded inside, and it just, you pound it in the wood, and it'll stick in there. And you can screw a bolt in it. And that's what's up under here that I bolt into. And then you just put this piece in the center. Grab my long bolts and screw them in. So I'll get that going. Okay, got it in place. I got it opened up. And all you do is you take your little bolt. Well, there's one right there. You just drop it in. And screw it in. That's what you got to do for all four of them. And then I have this where it opens up. And you can put stuff inside it. As you put clothes in there. And this side opens. All that space. And then you just set your mattress down and put your sheets and blankets on. And you got a bed. And then this board fits down in there. See if I can get it one-handed. I don't think so. Let me get it and then I'll show you what it looks like. Slits down in there. Let's see if I can get it hooked up. There we go. See how it's behind those? It just slides down. And it's blocked off. And you can pull it out if you need to. Get in the back. Alright, I think that's it for the bed system. I had this one open the other way, so if I've got a little tool crap in there. So, if you need to get tools from the back, you can get in it really easy. Alright, that's it for the bed.